I've been trying out this bacon jerky from Wicked Cuts, and I can't tell you how pleasantly surprised I've been. I really figured I'd enjoy the breakfast style because I'm not a fan of real sweet foods. The breakfast style is a great bacon, bacon jerky. This is a good example of most of the strips are full-size bacon strips. They're not all dried out or crispy like some bacon jerkies you might expect. They're cooked completely, and they're still pliable. They're super meaty. The sriracha style has a tang and sweetness. The old-fashioned maple is definitely sweet, but it's not a syrupy. It's more like a granulated, like a sugar. Really good. The applewood smoke is what this one is, and man, is it a good flavor. I'm still enjoying just a subtle apple flavor there. And then the smoked barbecue might be my favorite. I'm really looking forward to using these when we go camping and hiking. They're in bags that have the locking tops so they can be resealed if you don't eat it all right away. There's quite a bit of bacon in each of these, 2 ounces each, and each of these I was pleasantly surprised. I really didn't anticipate enjoying the sweet ones as much, and the apple and the spicy sriracha and the smoked barbecue, amazing. Want to thank Wicked Cuts for sending us these to check out. Really hope this helps. Consider them next time you're out camping, tailgating, hiking, fishing, RV.